How to use the recommended product versions tool of Info-Finder. Log in to the technical support website of Huawei Enterprise. Click Info-Finder. This function is available only to partners. Be sure to use a partner account to log in. In the Explore by Tools area on the Info-Finder homepage, click Recommended Product Versions to access this tool. 1. Query the recommended product version and patch. The following three methods are available. 1. Enter multiple product models in the Batch Query dialog box for batch query. 2. Enter a product model in the product field for query. 3. Select a product series or sub-series or model from the product field for query. Check the recommended versions, recommended patches, and recommended application scenarios of devices in the query result. The recommended devices and patches vary according to scenarios. The following uses: Cloud Engine S5735, S24HS4XEV2 as an example. In a deployment or upgrade scenario, V6R24C00 and the related patches are recommended. In a maintenance scenario, V6R24C00 or V6R23C00 and the related patches are recommended. 2. Download the recommended product version and patch. Click the links under recommended version and recommended patch to go to the corresponding software download pages. Click Export Data to export query results.